Good. Keep going.
It's been said that where tower cranes are present, there are good things happening. Cranes are a sign of progress. Visit downtown Phoenix and you'll see several of them, including one at the county's Court Tower construction site. Maxim Crane Works recently erected this tower crane at the epicenter of the Court Tower project. Piecing it together was no easy task. The crane spans over 230 feet in height. It took 3 days, 11 workers, and a separate assist crane to put this iron giant together.
You just don't throw a crane up and hope it works. It's a lot of planning to know exactly what each item you're going to be picking weighs.
Picking, that's a crane operator's term for lifting. Maxim had to consider the counterbalance for each load it will lift as well.
And how far from the center of the crane to where that load needs to be. You know, whether it's getting it off a truck or putting it in place on the building. So there's a lot of planning just for the job itself, and then there's a lot of planning just to erect the crane.
Workers erected this tower crane in one of the Court Tower elevator shafts. It will stay there until all 16 floors of the building are nearly in place.
So they'll build up the whole building around it, and then we'll remove it with another crane.
Welcome everybody to our second outreach exercise that we've had.
Another recent event connected to the Court Tower project was this networking forum for minority-owned and small businesses. Maricopa County and the principal contractors on the project, Gilbane Ryan, are making every effort to use local contractors, local labor, and local materials. They've set a goal to award 10% of the work to small and minority-owned businesses.
The overall construction of the project is $259 million. The actual hard cost of construction is $210 million. So that's the contracting portion that we're trying to obtain minority participation levels against.
There are around 24 different projects on which businesses can bid, including masonry, carpentry, interior painting, and landscaping.
Art and Road, we specialize in commercial masonry.
Business owners we spoke with say they appreciate the opportunity.
It'll generate more small businesses not to be scared to bid for these contracts and really go after them.
It's quite conceivable that you could have over 60 contractors on this job working at various parts of the project, whether it be at the beginning, the middle, or the end.
The Board of Supervisors considered this decision in building this court tower a strategic decision, and Supervisor Wilcox considers this an economic stimulus project funded by the county.
An economic stimulus because even the little guy will benefit from the project.
There's a lot of businesses out there struggling, so the fact that the county is willing to spend this money right now is a plus for us.
It's going to bring some income. It's going to help keep them on the books. It's going to help support their families.
There's going to be a lot of people that will benefit from this project.
This Maricopa courthouse is basically a godsend right now.